Hello everyone and welcome back to another scenario on this channel. Anyways, before I start the video, I want to give a shout out to SpeedyBlox Society because he makes the best EAS scenarios in the world. I hope you're watching this video. I know SpeedyBlox Society, so I'm giving a shout out to you. Yeah. Anyways, before we start the video, one last thing I want to note to you. These are not real events. Never happened and never will. But yeah, sorry. But if this does happen, I would do my best to survive. But anyways, let's just go to the video. See you later.
Disclaimer, this is a work of fiction. Please don't be an idiot and play these stones in the air. Doing so will get you banned, or get in prison for 5 years for causing massive panic and confusion. Anyways, grab a slice of pizza and enjoy. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gaston County Public OFCR and the Gastonia Police Department. A few hours ago, numerous reports have came in that people have seen identical lookalikes of themselves. People who got too close had to commit suicide or got killed by these organisms. If you see a person that looks identical to you, do not engage with them and call 911. Further information will be gathered as it becomes available. Civil emergency message for Gastonia until further notice. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. These organisms that have made people commit suicide or got killed by them has been confirmed to be alternates. If you see any alternates, they may look like you or your family member with impossible features or height. Do not confront them, as they will make you kill somebody or they will kill you. Further information will come within 24 hours.
The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gastonia Police Department. These alternates are brutally killing people. We have backup from Cameron, the Super Mario Brothers, and Team Sonic. They're the only ones stronger than the alternates, nobody else. Do not attempt to go with Cameron, the Super Mario Brothers, and Team Sonic, unless you have any bi-legal force weapons at all times and an armor to protect yourself. Further information will be gathered as the situation worsens.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Kings Mountain Police Department. The alternates have reached Kings Mountain by walking from Gastonia. It has already killed 3 people and injured 5 others. It is expected to reach Shelby within the next 45 minutes. But Cameron, the Super Mario Brothers, and Team Sonic is on their way to Kings Mountain to stop them from reaching Shelby. More information will be gathered as the situation becomes available. All residents of North Carolina, get in your shelters now. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. The alternate planted a bomb in the center of Charlotte. Once it explodes, not only it will erase Charlotte, it will erase the entire state of North Carolina. Cameron, the Super Mario Brothers, and Team Sonic have killed 145 alternates. They need to kill 5 more alternates to save the entire state of North Carolina. More information will be gathered as the situation becomes available. You must battle or seek shelter. Choose wisely or else you will die. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the North Carolina Emergency Management Agency. The battle will now start. Stay tuned for the next 3 weeks. All clear. Repeating, all clear. The last 5 alternates have been defeated. The only damages caused so far in Gastonia and Kings Mountain were only windows. The good news is, we are going to repair all the windows in Gastonia and Kings Mountain. It will take about 5 days to repair all the windows from the damages caused by the alternates. You may exit out of your shelters now. We'd like to thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for watching this video. On EAS Tools you make your EAS alerts by using select voice and text-to-speech announcements. You can also download the audio file and add them to your EAS Scenario. Thanks for watching, and if you want to watch the full completed Season 1, click on the left of your screen. On the right, please subscribe for more content like this. This will be the last episode for Season 2. I'm currently working on the first episode for Season 3. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later.